Hello guys, welcome to my small YouTube channel. How are you all guys? How's your diecast car hunting? Did you find any treasure hunt, regular treasure hunt or super treasure hunt, or you found any diecast cars that you've been looking for? Comment down below guys. And by the way, thank you so much to all of you guys, because today I have reached 200 subscribers in this channel. Thank you so much. And in this video we have here Hot Wheels diecast car 40 pack, and we're gonna unbox it. Yeah, this is the 40 pack Hot Wheels diecast cars that I have purchased in Target store in Port Macquarie branch. And as you can see in here, there's only 3 diecast car visible at the moment. We have the Mazda MX-5 Miata, El Viento, and the Dodge pickup truck. Yeah, this is 40 pack, and I bought it for $40. It means that each diecast car is only $1, because that time when I bought this one, it is on sale. The regular price is $60, but we got it for $40 only. And without further ado, let's start the unboxing. We're gonna use scissors to open this box. Yes, you can see in here there's still a transparent tape on it. These two transparent tape. I don't have any idea what diecast car inside on it, or the diecast car included in this 40 pack. I don't have any idea guys, so we're gonna find out in this video. And I'm not sure if there's any included treasure hunt, regular treasure hunt or super treasure hunt in this 40 pack Hot Wheels diecast car. And here it is. I hope not so many diecast car fantasy car included in this 40 pack, but at the moment there's already fantasy cars that I have or there are already fantasy car visible at the moment. Yeah, I'm gonna flip it like that. And they are short card, so let's start to grab the other diecast car. So here's the first 2 diecast car. We have here Ford GT, Ford Model A Custom 31 from 2021 card case, Ford GT and Ford Model Custom 31, Model 8 Custom 31. The next one is 1969 Mercury Cyclone Punk Rod. So this one is a fantasy car, so we're gonna separate the fantasy car and the real model car. So the next one is 2020 Jeep Gladiator. I think we have this one already. Yeah, we have it already. We have a copy already. And the next one is Chevy Silverado 1983. I don't have any Chevy Silverado with the same color, so it's good. But we have the other or different color of Chevy Silverado 1983. next one is Cupra E-Razor electric vehicle. Cupra E-Razor, and the purple passion, white one. So we're gonna put it in here. And the next one is another EV supercharged. Next one is Decidedly Go Magic Ball from 2025 case. Experimotors, sorry. Experimotors. We're gonna put it in here. And we have here Mad Fuzz from Truck Aces. The next one is the Vanster from Hot Wheels Art Cars. And the next one, the next two car, diecast car, 1995 Mazda RX-7 Drift with a combination of yellow and pink black color with white mugs. 95 Mazda RX-7 Drift. And the other one is Monster High Gold Mobile. Monster High. So we're gonna put the fantasy car in here, and then this one in here. So the next one, Mattel Dream Mobile. Ooh, coming from 80 years anniversary. Yeah, Mattel Dream Mobile. So we're gonna put it in here. And the next one is the Dragon Wagon from Hot Wheels Ride-Ons. Another fantasy car. The next one is Alpha Pursuit from Hot Wheels First Response. Another fantasy car. Diora 3 from Hot Wheels EV electric vehicle. So we're gonna put it in here. And the next one is Crate Racer. It seems like there are so many fantasy car included in this 40 pack. The next one is the Hot Wheels Ultimate T-Rex Transporter. Look at that. Seems like a crocodile. Experimotors, another fantasy car. So let's have a look on the lower portion. So we have here a small block, another fantasy car, Hot Wheels Metro. And we have here Big Air Bel Air. Red one. We have a different color. I think the blue and black combination. Yeah, nice. The next one is Trucknator, another fantasy car, X-Racers. And the next one is, ooh, look at that. First 911 Rally from Safari mode. Nice. And And the next one is McLaren W1. We have the blue and black combination already. McLaren W1. And the next one is Nerve Hammer, another fantasy car from X Racers. And the next one is Hot Wheels 50 Concept, HW50 Concept Hot Wheels Rod Squad, another fantasy car, Holerback from Hot Wheels Hot Trucks. Yeah, there are so many fantasy car. Oh, Armor GTC from Safari mode with a number 36 on top of the hood, another fantasy car. And oh, I have this one already, 1967 Austin minivan, same color, yeah. And the other one, the light blue. It is coming from Hot Wheels Art Cars. Oh, Datsun 240Z. This is the one that I have loose, and I put it inside the diorama, my diorama, Nissan diorama. Yeah, Datsun 240Z. And the next one is another fantasy car, Bonds of Steel. The next one is DMC DeLorean. I'm not sure if I have already a DMC DeLorean with different color. Yeah, I think I have one already. And the next one is Quick Bite from Fast Foodie. Yeah, there are so many fantasy car. Oh, look at this 1970 Dodge Hemi Challenger with a violet color, violet and black combination. Nice, from Hot Wheels 70 versus 90s. And the next one is, oh, a motorcycle. I think this is the one that I am looking for, because I have already the 3 pieces from this 1 out of 5 Hot Wheels model. Yeah, and I found the regular treasure hunt of this Hot Wheels model. Nice. And we have here Cone Shaker from Hot Wheels Metro, another fantasy car. And that's it. Oh, there's more 3 pieces in here. Yeah, the Mazda MX-5 Miata. Oh, how to remove this? Oh, there's a transparent tape on it. So here's the 3 diecast car, 3 last diecast car in this 40 pack. We have here Mazda MX-5 Miata with a light green and gray combination, gray color, and the El Viento from X Racers. Yeah, there are so many fantasy cars. And this one, the 1978 Dodge Little Red Express truck from Hot Wheels Hot Trucks. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Let's count the fantasy car included in this 40 pack. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 fantasy car. And here's the other diecast car included on the 40 pack. 3, 5, 6, 7, 10, 12, 14, 15, 17. And here it is, guys. This is the diecast car included to the 40 pack that we unboxed, and it doesn't have any treasure hunt included on it, but it doesn't matter, it should be right. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you like and enjoy this unboxing video. And if you are interested in this kind of video content, diecast car hunting, diecast car collection, and you are not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and click the bell icon for you to get notified every time I posted new video in this channel. Again, thank you so much, guys. Happy hunting to everyone, and see you in the next one. Bye.
Sorry ass DJ.